kill. Godlike. Holy shit.
Ako nang unang bibira para mabomba ang bara. Kaya kong mag-ihaw ng taba gamit ang lampara. Pinto ko'y di ko sasara, mananatili tong bukas. Para sa mga ungas na susubok sa aking lakas. Tanging sandigan ay taas, matindi pa ako sa batas. Sa tunga ko ay lumabas, mga pulgas nagsikalas. Nang sa makatang tagamanda, ang pangalan ay pangaso. Di ko pinanggit ang pangalan mo, wala tong aso. Trinang-aso ang mga tangang makatang puro yabang. Sarap isargo ng pangharang ng malamang. Ako si Liriko, payat na malaki noo. Pakinggan mo awit na to, para sa'yo to Ginoo.
Hindi ko na nanaisin yaman ng mundo. Basta maging isang gwapong katulad ko. Ako na lang palagi ang bukang bibig. Mga babae hinihimatay, kinikilig. At pakiramdam ng lahat tinamaan ng kidlat. Kapag nakita na nila akong kumikindat. At pag ako'y dumadaan, lahat napapahay. Pati mga nagsasampay tululaway. Mahirap, mahirap, mahirap ang maging pogi. 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 Mahirap, mahirap, mahirap ang maging pogi. Mahirap, mahirap ang maging pogi. Mahirap, mahirap ang maging pogi. Mahirap, mahirap ang maging pogi.
One, two, 3, 4. Give me more loving than I've ever had. Make it all better when I'm feeling sad. Tell me that I'm special even when I know I'm not. Make it feel good when it hurts so bad. Barely getting mad, I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1, 2, There's 3, only 4. One thing to do, 3 words for you. I love you. There's only one way to say those 3 words, and that's what I'll do. I love you.
When I met you, girl, my heart went knock, knock, knock.
it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the pride and you look for a place to hide? Did someone break your heart inside? You're in ruins.
How many brothers fell victim to the street? Rest in peace, young nigga. There's a heaven for you. Be alive if I told you that I never thought of that. My niggas, we the last ones left. But life goes on. How many brothers fell victim to the street? Rest in peace, young nigga. There's a heaven for you. Be alive if I told you that I never thought of that. My niggas, we the last ones left. Life goes on. I bail through the empty halls, breath stinking in my drawers. Ring, ring, ring. Quiet, y'all. Incoming call. Plus, it's my homie from high school. He getting by. It's time to bury another brother. Nobody cry. Life is a baller. Alcohol and booty calls. We used to do them as adolescents. Do you recall? Raised as G's. Loped out and blazed the weed. Get on the roof, let's get smoked out and blaze with me. 2 in the morning and we still high, assed out. Screaming thug till I die before I passed out. But now that you're gone, I'm in the zone thinking I don't wanna die all alone. But now you're gone, and all I got left is stinking memories. I love them niggas to death, I'm drinking Hennessy while trying to make it last. I drank a fifth for that ass when you pass, cause life goes on. How many brothers fell victim to the streets? Rest in peace, young nigga, there's a heaven for a G. Be alive if I told you that I never thought of death. My niggas, we the last ones left. But life goes on.
she